Cooling and lighting control in a modern system can be convoluted and messy. One program controls your fans, another controls your lighting, and maybe even a third monitors your system temperatures. Together, Corsair Link and the new Commander Pro solve all these problems. The Commander Pro is the key to controlling almost every aspect of your build's cooling and lighting. You can monitor temperatures with the temp sensors, control fans, RGB LED strips, or even other Corsair Link compatible devices like power supplies or Hydro Series coolers with the built-in USB ports. We've engineered Commander Pro to be compact and discreet. It's small enough to fit into any case, and installation is simple. The hub comes with 6 dedicated fan ports, compatible with 3 or 4-pin case fans utilizing voltage and PWM control. And fans can be controlled from their max RPM or turned completely off, allowing you to have your fans off for light tasks such as email and web browsing, and then have them crank up whenever you feel like gaming. Once connected, all of your compatible devices will show up in Corsair Link. Just like Lighting Node Pro, the Commander Pro unlocks a plethora of lighting effects that you can sync across your compatible Link RGB devices. All the classic modes are there, and as of Corsair Link 4.7, you'll have access to sequential, marquee, strobing, and visor. After you've given your build some personality, you'll want to dive right into temperature sensors and fan control. This is where Commander Pro really shines. Several preset fan curves can be chosen from to auto-adjust fan speeds. In addition to the preset curves, there are also fixed RPM, fixed percentage, and custom curve modes. If you want a quiet system and your system temperature is within acceptable limits, the Commander Pro can turn your fans off through these modes. There's a built-in USB hub which allows you to connect multiple devices from within your chassis, such as an intelligent power supply, a Hydro Series liquid cooler, or even a Lighting Node Pro to expand your case lighting even further. But we've only scratched the surface, so we put together a blog post outlining everything the Commander Pro can do, which we've linked below. Thanks for watching.